Hello, wonderful people. My name is Vasily, and we are continue critic my code, right? We are continue looking and trying to say, hey, Vasily, that was good or that was not good. So I will remember what we are doing. So I'm pretty okay in the past. Right now, not so pretty active user at StackOverflow, and I have lots of code. Right, so and we can check it. Oh, I like this sound. Let me like it. So, I mean, it's kind of live, but recorded. This is a recorded live video, right? So, I hope you are in the same mood. You're hearing the same music what I am hearing right now. Okay, I mean, it should be fun, right? Maybe today I will not make stupid mistakes and I will not be like regular. So, I want to remind you that on the previous episode, on the previous video, we started to talk about one problem. Let me find it. Let me share my screen, right? It sounds like we have a small company, right? This is small startup and we have a daily meeting. I like it so much. So, let me switch. I have two computers, sorry. Okay. Here. Ooh, I'm so big. Okay. Okay. Let's try to find it. Okay. Actually, I think I used Google, right? Oh yeah, Google Chrome. Yeah, I mean, because it's cleaned regularly. Of course, I'm big fan of the Safari browser. Everything what's inside macOS, iOS is perfect. So, what I want to look for, you see, I started to think slowly already, right? Like, oh my god, it's 2 minutes. Sorry. So, let me switch here. And boom. So, again, the problem was that we don't want to scroll upwards, right? We want to scroll only down. Okay, no problem. We implemented UIKit solution, right? It's better than here. I didn't update it because I want to have a full solution, and then I think I will update it not in a video because I will need to translate words and so on. You know, right now I'm kind of okay if we're talking about my English, but like in 20 minutes my English can be disabled, right? It's working automatically, just one switcher, boom, and it is not working. So we checked that actually this solution by this wonderful guy, Vasily, it was not working. All right, we implement a little bit different solution. Let me make sound a little bit. Yeah, I think right now it's better. So, let me check. Okay, let's jump and implement. Oh, keychain, it's open. Okay, let me close. You see, I'm never ready. I just turn on the video camera, right, and start recording. Okay, so let me open. Oh, you can see my wonderful projects. I don't want to show you because I'm working on a secret projects. Of course not. I mean, but I want to say something, right? That you think that I'm a very serious guy. No. What we're doing? Oh, SwiftUI, right? Actually, I think I already have a. Yeah, I already have a project. I opened it. So we have here a scroll view, right? And like this is 3 lines. Actually, I want to show you, think about, I mean, this is a perfect example for SwiftUI and UIKit comparing, right? Like we have here 3 lines, right? 4 lines. Not only my English not working, also math engine, I mean laggy, right? Is lagging. Never mind, you got it. And to implement the same thing here, right? We have so many lines. So if we compare just this simple to list views, table views, of course the winner is Swift UI, right? Where is my wonderful... Okay. Is it... So, like, think about main thing. All of this, right? All of this code, and all of this code, right? Like, implement the same functionality what we have right now here with 3 things, with 4 lines. I mean, it's pretty near, right? Because we don't have a delegate here, we don't have action. So yeah, it is interesting. Okay, where is it? Where? Oh, okay. Yeah, you can see. Right, it's pretty the same. Of course, we have index path. Oh, I'm trying to scroll down, but it is not working because we implemented it, right? So, okay, let's return. Hey, I do not like this sound. We can find something more epic. Good beginning, right? So, first of all, what do we need here? I think I know the answer. I implemented something couple weeks before, so we need to set content offset of the scroll view, right? If we can look, of course, if we can look here, right? When we make a scroll, we just override it. We just override and said, hey, like if I'm not going to give you possibility to scroll up. No, we are staying here. No moving. So we need to do the same. So to find answer, let's go to wonderful Google, right? And write something like SwiftUI, yeah, scroll view offset, okay. And we can see this. So how we can set content offset? Like we have GeometryReader, right? And when we drag, oh, let's try. Why not? Let's try to do the same, right? We have GeometryReader, right? And we have this thing. So, and set offset. Where we set offset? Okay. And frame. Oh, how we use it? Yeah, I know. I mean, I can read everything carefully, but like, come on, this is StackOverflow. We are not reading everything, right? We are trying to think, okay, can it work or not? So let's go here. Well, no. Gesture, right? We need to add gesture. So, and we, oh. Okay, something not ready. Okay, let's return and think about like we have here. First of all, let's remove all of it. Right. Let's remove all of this. And update it, right? I do not like this style. We may have this, right? So we can make it a little bit cleaner, right? Okay. And let's try to explore how it is working. So, of course, print. Of course. So, it will be unchanged, right? Unchanged value. And here we have on end. Let's try to see. Oh yeah, I think for this case I need to run application. Oh, cool sound, right? Sorry, I'm just liking this sound. So maybe you use it one more time again to have. Okay. So how it is working, right? We can clean it and try to. Okay. So when we scroll up, right? So it's not it is not going. Okay. So and we have offset here. Where do we use this offset? Where we set it, right? Offset. And we that thing. Content.offset. Oh, we can do this. Content. Interesting. Okay, because this is a scroll view, right? This is a scroll view. Can we do this? Oh, I have two geometry readers. What? Okay. Let's fix it. So let me try. How? Okay. Is it formatting right? So, and we want to put it here, right? Inside. So, content. No. Let me start again. So right now we will put everything inside. Okay. What do you expect on gesture? Okay, my cat wants to enter. I'm sorry. Forni again. He don't want me to record videos. Right. So what is our plan? Hey, Forni, give please me some time. I'm recording video. Are you kidding me? He decided to go away. Are you kidding me? So, please stay here. Yeah? Just confirm. You can do it. Sorry. It's not me. It's him. So, what we are going to do right now? And first of all, we have a mistake. What is the problem? Okay. let's run again. I mean, yeah, it is working only when we start, right? But I want to scroll it. I want to detect full scrolling. Like when we move only 1 pixel, I want to detect it. Oh. This is a problem of live videos, right? Okay. I think sound is too... Let me make it... Okay. So... We have not drag. What kind of gesture do we have? We have gesture, tap, drag, exclusive sequence, long press, spiral, spatial tap. Do we have swipe? Okay. What will be if we decided to use any gesture? No. Any gesture? Okay. We need to have specific. TOS. Okay. On changed, on ended. Only this thing. But maybe if we update our offset, the same what we have here, it will be updated. I mean, we will receive a new notification, right? We will receive new trigger. So let's set it. Value. Location, right? We also, like here, when we say, okay. Okay, CG point. Interesting. I never try something like this. Let's figure out how it is working. Okay. And what I'm doing right now, I can do this, right? So, content. Okay. Scroll view. This is weird for me. Okay, but we have here content and we have here offset. Right? CG size. Here we need size. Okay. Okay. It can't be 0. Let's start with this. So, and we have here offset. So, it will be... let's try for right now this, right? So, I need to hide this. And we will have here location width, I think it is X, right? and height, it is Y. Okay, so let's try to do this. Yeah, you see, it is not actually what I expect. So if we look at this solution, we also have to override this thing, right? Let's check. Oh, sorry. This is not actually what I expect. So we have ScrollView, right? The same solution. Okay. Let's do the same what we have here. I mean, this is regular, right? Like, yeah, we can read everything, but this is a not very interesting, right? We can make it work and then try to explain why it is working, right? And we have gesture here. Let's just, copy paste and all of this. Oh, all of this all of this connected to the scroll view, right? And gesture too. So, yep, I can add it here, and we have content here. Okay, let's try. Okay. Oh, this is a good point. Like, we do not need... We need just X. Okay. So, and here, what's happened? And we can write it, set as X offset, right? X offset. Offset, of course. Okay. I do not like the sound. I'm sorry. Write me if you not really enjoy when I do this, like jumping from a sound to sound, from a track to track. Okay. So yeah, we can do this a little bit clean, right? So, and what will happen? Any errors here? We have self-index. What is self-index? Okay, let's keep it for right now. Where we have it? We have it somewhere, right? XX. Okay. So we have this index on the calculation, right? And also we have... Okay. But something is not working. Okay, X offset, right? And also I suppose we also have somewhere X offset, right? What is error here? Keep... Let me make the code bigger, right? So, and I can remove this. Okay, and we have some kind of pages. Where we get this? Where is our pages? With animation? Oh. I cannot understand. Self-index, next index. Oh, this is number of page or what? Okay. But for right now, we can ignore it. I just want to see how this thing can work. Right, and let's print. So, but again, I think it will not work for me because I need to detect each value, right? Not just this. Interesting. So, let's go to another solution. So, all of the solution looks like based on the page, on the pagination idea, but I do not need to have a pagination. So, I just need to set content offset, right? And here we have it. Okay, we have GeometryReader. And we need and we want to set offset somewhere, right? Scroll view, it's horizontal, blah blah blah. So, oh, it's just some views. It's not very important. But where is? I'm sorry. Everything is absolutely not professional, right? Okay, let me make my screen, my face smaller, because I'm not tracking. Yeah, I'm not tracking. I want you to see more details on the screen, right? And what do we have here? We have geometry reader. How do we set it? Frame. We set frame height, scroll height. So getting and setting the position of the content offset. But how do we detect this content offset? Okay. So we can try to set frame, right? Geometry size. Okay, set. Okay. So I'm not sure this is correct thing because I want to scroll. I don't want to have like a large height. I want also height to be static, right? Okay. So, and here, what do we have? We have gradient, linear gradient. Okay, frame. Interesting, right? So, like, it's kind of the same solution, right? I mean, it's kind of okay, but I need to update it continuously. Always. So rotation, maybe sequence gesture. Can it be sequence gesture? What do we need here? Init. What do we need? Init. Wow. First sec. No, it's not what we wanted. So that means that we. Oh, no. Not this. No. Not splice. So, let's go here and see SwiftUI gestures, right? Like we need to understand what do we have. Tab gesture. Okay. Spiral. Spatial tap. Just recognize one or more tabs and reports their location. gesture. Long press. Gesture. Drag event sequence. Yeah, but it's not like this. Sequence gesture, simultaneous gesture. Exclusive gesture. Okay. SwiftUI. Swipe. Swipe. Let's start to do this. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's try it right now. Maybe we can do this. If we set minimum distance equals 0, so yeah, let's go. Yeah, that's what we wanted, right? Right now when we scroll. Okay, so can we try to do next thing? So, yep, I want to have it. So let's return to our scrolling. Okay, let's remove this also. Hey, where is everything? Where is my wonderful list view? Okay. Okay. So what about right now? Can we... Why it is not working, right? Like, we have list and we have this thing. So, let me... Probably gesture right... Oh, it is working. Right? It is working. But... What is but? Let me remove it. All of this. And try again. You see, this looks like a very simple task, right? But lots of details that you can explore. The same for me. I do not know, like, I know another solution. But, I mean, I want to explore something else, right? This is how I regularly work. I find I have a task and I try to find the best way how can I do it. And to explore something new. Okay, but something happened. Right? It is not going to scroll. So... Okay. Why it is not going to scroll? Because... Oh, we over... Yep. So we override. Yeah, that means that we need to set it. Okay, so right now, because we set like a drag gesture for any distance, we override like a native scrolling, right? Yeah. And looks like we cannot apply it to some view. We have to apply it to the scroll view. You see, like this line will set offset. Okay, let's start again. Okay, we already have something, so it will be X offset, not width. Oh, I need Y offset, right? Oh my god, of course Y offset. I want to move. I don't want to have pagination. I want to scroll down, right? And we have here height. And probably we do not need this thing. right? Yeah, and we do not need the... I mean, because all the solution was about pagination. Right? From time to time, it is good to read like actually text and conversation and Stack Overflow. But I mean, come on, like we're trying to have some fun, right? That is not fun. Okay. Okay. What can we do? We can set value, location, and y, right? Could it work? I have no idea. Oh. Wonderful. Wonderful. Let's actually use... You can see that. Okay. So location looks like touch location, right? Okay, what do we have? So it's actually let me check. No, not that. What value is this? Let me move it here. Right, and we have here gesture. Okay, gesture value. Or just gesture. Okay, so, like, okay, so, translation, okay. Offset, and it will be height. But I have 100 items. Where is others? Okay. Maybe we need to do different thing. For each, since we cannot list, we cannot set content, right? Content. No, we cannot. So what about using different thing? I mean, a list is kind of scroll view, right? So probably we need to have, like, we need to avoid using list right now. So what is my plan? We may have ForEach. Oh, maybe we can do this. Right. Okay. Scroll view. Okay, axis. But like, let's restart. Something is not working, right? Okay. So, let's remove this for right now. Let's remove this. Right. Can we scroll it? Yes, we can scroll it. Wonderful. Right. But we don't have our list view style, right? We have to do it manually. Okay. At least we have some movement, right? So let's... So when we try to set it, it overrides. Yeah, we can move it, but coordinate. Let's try this thing. No. So if we also remove that thing, so right now, I mean, because we override this thing, we override scrolling, right? It's named drag gesture action. We need to do something different. I still do not have a clear vision of it. Okay, but like that thing, so okay. Let's see. What do we have? Maybe we can see in the details. Right, so we have velocity, we have start location, we have... Okay. Start location, X, right? X. No, Y. I'm always trying to... Okay, it is not working. Okay. Can this work? And this is also not... Oh, because we... Okay. Interesting. Alright. So... Why it is overriding? So if we return back to... Yeah, we have it. We have it, and this is fine. This is how we detect swiping. But here, right, we already saw this thing, right? So geometry, right? Okay, and here we are going to use our Y offsets. Interesting. Hey, why it is not working? I'm really surprised. Okay. So I just try to set initial value, right? Initial value. Oh, this is cool sound. Okay. Content offset. Okay. Okay, nothing is here. Let's return width, right? So you can see that, okay, it's here. Like, but if I remove it, let's make it the screen a little bit smaller. Right. So what's happened with my views? Scroll views. Okay, axis. Scroll view, and we have vertical. Right. Oh. If I remove it, no problem with it, right? What? Oh. Where is my number 2s? Again, I'm sorry. Again, if I disable all of this, why? What's the problem? 1, 2, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, and here we have what? Oh, no, we need this thing, right? Whew, very interesting task. Okay, again, what is not working? Hey, I cannot see what's happened. Okay. Okay. And right now, let's add just gesture. Okay, to make code cleaner, let's add gesture as a separate function. Property. Scroll. So we will take all of this and put it here. Oh, I need GeometryReader here. But for right now, we do not need it. Right. I'm sorry, so... we have on... okay. Yeah. No problem. ScrollView gesture, and we can remove all of this. So, yeah. It's more interesting than I expected, actually. So, we have here gesture, scroll gesture. Okay, on changed. Any gesture, can it be like this? What? Okay, let me open gesture and see what is gesture. Okay. Can we do this? Okay. Will it work? Nope. Nope. Okay. Because we need to apply this thing to the scroll view. Of course. And right now we have a problem. What kind of problem? I have no idea. Okay, let's remove all of this code and start again. Right? Oh my god, it's like a work already, like a workshop. No, we can keep it here and apply one day later. Okay. Okay, it is not working as expected. Okay, drag gesture. Drag gesture. Okay, we can do this. If you want, we can do this. No problem. Oh, maybe can we use here builder? View builder. Will it work? No, it is not going to work. But I can do this and we can see what happened. Okay, yeah. So we have access to the gesture using this underscore. Okay, so let's run and see what's happened now. We can scroll, and right now we need to update scrolling, right? So, what can happen? We can set offset x, right? No. Again, let's return to our content offset. Oh, it's contrast. Wait. Content offset. Y and Y offset. But what happened with this thing? Why? So if I try to use content, right? Content, it is not working as expected. So I cannot do this. You see? I cannot set content. Let's check what do we have more, right? For example, here. Yeah, we detect position, right? And where do we use this position? It's float. Can we use just offset without content? Oh. Okay. Gesture. Translation. Height. Right? What will happen? Yeah, we have scrolling, but this is not what I expect. So we also can see that we have to override frame, right? Interesting. So let's start again. So what's happened? You see, like we right now we can scroll, right? But it is not doing what we expect. So we have translation height. Okay. Gesture. Oh, we may use this. We can add, right? No. So again, translation. This is what is translation? Start location, end location, right? This is start location. First event. But like, what if we just use location? Yeah, I know. We are going in a loop, right? We are looping, but so no, it is not working as expected. So what will happen with gesture? Location. It we can add or not to add. So here we have translation, right, and track begin. So we no, this is not what I wanted. Scroll view again. So we have another. Yeah, you see scroll view, ScrollViewReader, and we have here. Oh, we can use maybe ScrollViewReader. Reader. What is this? So scroll view. We have scroll to something. No, we do not need it. We need GeometryReader. We do not need to scroll to somewhere, right? We need. So on appear, and we have just scrolling. No. This solution is not go. We don't want to scroll to specific view. We want to scroll to specific points. Scroll view reader. We have proxy. And how do no. No. This is not what I want. No. You see, like, it is interesting. Scroll view reading, automatic scroll. Again, no. Let's return to the first solution. I think maybe we can find more details here, right? I mean, I'm not sure that this is correct idea. Because we change size. So, like, think about, like, when, so we're scrolling right now, right? Let's remove this. So we're scrolling, right? And looks like on the solutions, when we scroll upper, we will also change the frame. But what's happened with performance? I feel this solution is not great. That's what I feel. Probably it can work, right? But really, I'm not sure. Let me show you another solution. So, if you, we already spent like 1 hour. Ooh, we already spent 1 hour for this. So, if you try to find how we can make it normally, probably solution should be something around this, but I really feel that we are not going to have a performance solution, right? Because we will manually change offset, we will manually change frame. Gesture plus gesture, start location. Why? No, it's not working. Okay, so we have 1 hour and we have my fail. So I do not have a solution yet. Let's make another attempt. Tell me please, is it interesting? Is it interesting for you, like that I am talking, I am trying to search and find the solution, and for example, today we have no results. It should be something around this, right? As I said, something around this solution. Something that could work, right? So, but it is not ready. So, please tell me if it's interesting for you, these conversations, these monologues, right? Like the idea how I think, idea what I read, idea how I try. So the best what we can, to do to become a great developer, we have to try more. And with SwiftUI, this is absolutely different world, right? So I know another solution here, and we will try to do it next time, probably on one of my last. Yeah, that is solution. So solution, absolutely, yeah. So we can use something like a scroll proxy here. So it's kind of object, right? And think about how we get it. So we have to use a scroll view. This is my class. Extended scroll view. Let me show you what is this. So extended scroll view. This is a code I found by this guy. So this is the first source, and I want to keep it here because this is not really my idea. But what we can override, and we can use real classes that's hidden inside ScrollView, right? So this is like a ScrollView config, right? And we can create this ScrollView, and we can create this content provider, right? So we have some kind of hacks here also, right? So, but the code will looks like this. So, extended scroll view, right? We created our grid. We have ForEach, right? The same our views, no problem with that. And we use on scroll change. So, and proxy, like you can see that we have here content offset. Like something what we have in our UIKit solution. It's kind of UIKit. We receive content offset each time when we move, when we scroll. Yep. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, for spending your time with me. All right, 1 hour. 1 hour. I'm not sure I want to make like a longer videos, right? But today we don't have happy end, right? Our story is not completed, and we will do it in the next series. 3 videos about 1 question on Stack Overflow. I hope you enjoy this video and you got some new fresh ideas. New and fresh. Okay, this is my English. Okay, we can say we can tell this. So thank you thank you for thank you. That's it. See you in the next video. Bye.